guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again for another session. So for this spread, I'm just going to give you a short introduction and I think the rest will be self-explanatory. So I found this image on a little notebook that I was carrying in my purse, and when I decluttered it recently, I just looked at it and noticed that it was really falling apart, but I really loved the image, so I wanted to keep that and preserve that somehow, and I thought what better way than to put it into my journal. So I just went through my stuff and tried to find things that would fit with this image, like the colors and maybe also the style. So I just took them out and tried to incorporate it into my page, and so I hope you enjoy watching. And at the end, when I journal, I'm just actually journaling about how I made this spread and how sometimes you have to take risks because, for example, I cut her face in two, as you can see, and I had no idea whether that was gonna work out or not, but sometimes you just have to take a little leap of faith. So enjoy this music and enjoy this spread. Thanks so much for watching.